How to pin chat on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to pin chats on Instagram. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure that you already have updated the app on your device. Now log into your account and tap the message icon at top right corner of the screen. Here you will reach on the chat section of Instagram. You need to select any chat that you want to pin on Instagram. Long press on any particular chat and here a menu pop up that says pin, delete, mute messages and mute calls. So on this different kinds of options, select pin and the chat will be automatically pinned on Instagram chat section. So in this way you can easily pin chats on Instagram. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.